I'm out here in Avondale today previewing some new builds for a client. And did you know that a lot of new build communities are still offering great rates? I'm talking about 2.99%, 3.99% for the life of the loan. That will help you get into so much more home and a lesser payment. So reach out to me if you want to know what communities are offering the best rates. And let's get started on this tour.